In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your age on X.com, also known as Twitter, by adding your date of birth to your profile. This is a quick and simple process, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your phone, or go to X.com in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to your profile. You can usually do this by tapping your profile icon or selecting profile from the menu. This will take you to your public profile page where you can edit your personal details. Now look for the edit profile button. On mobile, it's usually near the top of your profile page, and on desktop, you'll see it on the right side of your profile area. Tap or click edit profile to open your account settings. This is where X lets you change your profile photo, bio, display name, and other basic information. Once the edit screen opens, scroll down until you find date of birth. This is the section you'll need to complete if you want X to recognize your age correctly. Tap or click on date of birth, and then enter your correct birthday. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, because this is what X uses to confirm your age on the platform. After entering your birth date, review it one more time to make sure everything is correct. Then save your changes by tapping Save or Done, depending on the device you're using. Once you do that, your updated birthday will be attached to your profile, and that's the final step in verifying your age on X. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your app is updated and that you're using the correct account. Also remember that your date of birth can affect age-related settings and access on the platform, so always enter your real information carefully. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify your age on X.com or Twitter by updating your date of birth in your profile. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.